Okay, let's create object as shown in the photo. We have created one circle having a radius of 15, so diameter is of 30, and you can make any polygon of any scales, any size. I have just created number of sides are 8, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Okay, I have created just octagon. Now we need to measure the length, so go to analysis and measure length, click on the circle and check the length 94.248. so make one line, it should be starting from 0, so type in 0, enter, and then type in 94.248, enter. So I have created one line, click the second side and right click, right mouse button to stop the command. Now this is the subdivision tools. It's different from surface modeling, solid modeling and subdivision. So subdivision is a direct modeling tools. So this is a new and effective tools added in new Rhino version. So we have just added new techniques to our library content. Okay, so here is the sweep one subdivision tool. So click on the subdivision sweep. It is asking for rail, then asking for the sweep shape, then enter. See here is the showing crease. So this is my crease, I don't want crease. Suppose you want some fillet, so zoom in, then type in shape segments. So type in segments as you need to type in different values and see the results as per your requirement. So suppose I am adding 15. Okay, 15 is a fine, done. Now we need to okay, if you want to scale down, you can also scale it down, and if you want bigger length, you can also, but if you flow, then it will change in the result. So from the beginning you have to maintain your shape. Okay, now we are applying flow along curve. Select the object, then enter, select the base curve, and it is asking for target curve. So this is my target curve. Okay, so we have just created my base and target curve. Now we have to apply twist. So here is the twist. It is asking for object to select, so select the object, then enter. It is asking for axis. So here is my, okay, axis need 2 clicks. So this is my first click and this is my second click. So I have just defined my axis. Then it is asking for first reference point. So we need to click first reference point. I have just clicked this side. Then by moving your cursor from outer side, don't go on the object because it will not do properly if you go through the object. So go out from outer side. Okay, now it is again asking for second side. So both the sides are okay. It is creating another copy, so we don't need a copy. Okay, let's make some undo. That is some mistake happened. Okay, again flow along curve, select the object to flow. Okay, here we need to create copy. So here is my base curve and here is my target curve. Now when we are going to twist our object, select, this is my object to twist, start of the axis, let's click here, and end of the axis, make sure it is the end of the line. Okay, here we have clicked on copy object, so we don't need copy, we need to change in original object, so it will affect on the resulted object. Okay, this is my first click and then we need to click second, and this is fine. Okay, one more mistake I think we have done. Select the object. Okay, and this is opens up here. Then fine, this is okay. Okay, so we need this side, this is little bit straight, and here is the twisting, because we have the more twisting at the center and less at the ends. So we need this side at top side. So select the object and minus 90, so it comes at the top side. Yeah, this is fine. So if you directly click on the child, this is parent, this is child. If you directly click on the child, then by changing on this object will not affect on this object. Okay, so this is my record history. So now I am just moving to another layer and one, and right click, change object layer and turn them off. So now I want to apply some frames, frame with some thickness at the edges. So here we have the option to select edge loop. So click on the edge loop. We need to perfectly click on the edge loop. What happened? We have just clicked somewhere. Okay, all the edge loops has been selected. Now just enter. Okay, now I am just applying multi-pipe command, which is from the new subdivision tools 0.5 cap ends on stroke division 1. That's fine. Okay, I have just created one cross section border at the edge loops. Now I want to move this object this side because I want to add something. So type in 50. So make sure the values are in perfect round figure. Okay, now select the object and type in loop edge. So I want to select all the edges from this object, select, and now I don't want this object. So select the subdivision object, go to layer, again click into layer and change object. Okay, so I have just created a group of the wireframe. Now type in multi-pipe, type in your cross section 0.25 on, enter, enter. Okay, so I have just created multi-pipe cage. Now click on this arrow and type in minus 50. So now it will go back to its original position. So this is my new shape. Now type in select curve command and select all the objects and move to end to layer. Now turn off bail, and I have just created one bail and torus. Move them upside and the pendant is ready.